asina hajik tight tawribani aduga asisina chapnaba machine ni hajik chappaga demo utkadore aina namjriba block asi maming di khangje tool si packing machine hai aduga hajik yot to tight tawsangre aduga tight tawriba yot to asisini aduni packing gi missing na toina hangba question aduga ai makhagi block ta asigi detail amdang pijarake aduga machine gi detail yeng bi horo okay asi sine chapisi aduni 1 minute ki video da packing gi strip mp tools ko aduduna hajiki strip tu da subsali bidune se last oina video amtang yeng bio asi igi brother sina yo to hapsale clip tight tawre aduga tight khunna tawra matungda machine du si thinjalle aduga asi tight tawre tight taw hajik asigi clip sina muk chappani yes asida loire. So this is do like me, subscribe me. I am giving you more information about this clipping machine after my search and homework. Okay, with this, thank you. Do like, subscribe me.